Oh my God, I can't stop shaking. Whew. Welcome to BK Outdoors. I hope each and every one of y'all had a great Easter. And it's turkey season now in Texas. So it's time to get into the turkey hunting videos. This video that you're about to watch is me solo hunting for my first time. I've never been turkey hunting before in my life. I've shot a turkey while I was deer hunting, but I have never been turkey hunting before in my life. I picked up calls about a month ago, and I sort of know how to run them. I'm no good. I can run them and I can kind of sound like a turkey, but I'm not very good at it. This should be encouragement to all of you that have never turkey hunted or are wanting to get into it or just aren't very good at calling. You don't have to be. I'm living proof that you don't have to be that good at calling to call in a turkey and kill it. Make sure y'all stay tuned and watch the video all the way to the end, because something that I never expected and I never thought would happen on my first turkey hunt happened. And it's so exciting. What's going on, guys? Today's opening day of turkey season in Texas, and we're headed out to try and get us one. I've had turkeys showing up at this spot pretty regularly, so I'm pretty confident, but this would only be my second turkey ever, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned and tell me what I'm doing right and tell me what I'm doing wrong as well. I know I'm new to this, so I'll take any tips y'all are willing to give me. Well, guys, we're here. We're all set up. Let me show y'all what it looks like. We got a feeder right there. They've been coming normally twice a day to that feeder. And we got this big field over here. That's where I always see them. I see them out in that field. And it's just big woods to the left and all behind me as well. Now it's just a waiting game. We're going to try a crow call and see if it will make any gobble, so we know where they're at. Whenever I was setting up, I swear straight ahead, I heard a real faint gobble, so it was far away though. And I can't hunt over there, so we'll see. Nothing. If there was ever a bad time to have to take a poop, now would be it. And guess what I gotta do? Oh my God, it's so bad. I don't know if I'll make it. That was a gobble just then. I don't know where it came from though. There we go. I think it's coming from over there. I think it's coming from over there. I don't know where it is. That's good though. I don't see him. Let me get everything set up real quick. A little better. So I don't have to move when he comes in. Well, that one is gobbling from almost directly behind me, like right over that direction. And it seems to be pretty close. I mean, it can't be much over 100 yards. I mean, it heard me call, and it gobbled back twice. I don't know if y'all could hear it or not, but I've tried calling 2 more times, and it hasn't gobbled back, so I'm gonna shut up for a minute, see if he works in. He's getting closer. I can't see him yet. Okay, that's good. I got him talking again. I went from the box call to the crystal. He's right over there. He keeps gobbling back every time. I don't know what to do. I guess as long as he keeps playing the game, I'll keep playing it with him. Other than that, I don't know what to do. I wish y'all could hear that. He's going nuts. I got a turkey gobbling off to my right. And a cat came out under my feeder trying to get him a bird or something. I guess he's hunting too. And that turkey's still gobbling off to my right. Okay guys, I think I can see him. There he is, I see him. He's at about 200. He's coming straight to me though. Yeah, if he just keeps coming that direction, he'll come straight to me. He's at about 60 yards right now. Oh, I got him. Whew, my God. I got it. Oh, I got him. Oh. Oh, my God. Oh, I got him. Oh, my God. I can't stop shaking. Ooh. Oh, I got him. Look at him. There he is. Oh, my God. I can't stop shaking. Ooh. My God, guys. That was awesome. I've never experienced anything like that. This is my first time really turkey hunting. I've shot a turkey before while I was deer hunting, but this is my first experience turkey hunting, and I was by myself. I sat down for 20 minutes and called, and immediately he started calling back. And I would call, and he'd gobble back. That went on for probably an hour. And then I seen him at about 200 yards, and he closed that 200-yard gap in about 5 minutes. Or it felt like 5 minutes. It was probably like 1 minute, but he closed that gap, and I shot him at probably 30 yards. I am just so blessed to be able to do this. I can't believe it. There's no way it goes like this every time. But I'm so glad it happened this time. Man, that was perfect. Whew. Now, let's go get him. There he is. Oh, I put the smack down on him. Oh, there he is. Oh, yeah. Put him down. I mean, just look at that. That is so amazing. Got a pretty good little beard on him. Some pretty decent spurs. I don't know what good spurs look like, but I'd say those was pretty decent. Thank you guys for watching. I hope y'all had a great Easter, and don't forget to like, comment video ideas, and subscribe to see more.